Episode 21: Xavier's Missionary Work in Southeast Asia. Hello everyone. Today we explore St Francis Xavier's significant missionary work in Southeast Asia. Xavier's endeavors in places like Malacca, the Spice Islands, and other regions in Southeast Asia faced unique cultural and religious challenges, but they also laid the groundwork for enduring Christian communities in these areas. Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia. St. Francis Xavier's missionary journey took him to various parts of Southeast Asia, including Malacca, the Spice Islands, and other regions. His mission was to spread the Christian faith in these diverse and culturally rich areas. Arrival in Southeast Asia. Xavier's arrival in Southeast Asia marked the beginning of his mission in the region. His efforts focused on establishing a Christian presence in territories with diverse cultural and religious landscapes. Cultural and religious challenges. Xavier encountered significant cultural and religious challenges. The diversity of languages, traditions, and religious beliefs in these areas posed hurdles in conveying the Christian message effectively. Integration of Christian faith. Xavier's approach in Southeast Asia was to integrate the Christian faith within the existing cultural contexts. He adapted his missionary strategies to resonate with the local cultures, making Christianity more accessible and relatable. Initiatives in Malacca and the Spice Islands. Xavier's work in Malacca and the Spice Islands was influential. He initiated missions, established Christian communities, and endeavored to create a foundation for the Christian faith in these regions. Enduring Christian communities. Despite the challenges, Xavier's efforts resulted in the establishment of enduring Christian communities in these areas. The foundations he laid continued to support the growth and presence of Christianity. Influence on cultural and religious landscape. Xavier's mission left an imprint on the cultural and religious landscape of Southeast Asia. His work contributed to the growth of Christian faith, leaving a lasting legacy in the region's religious fabric. Legacy of Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia. The legacy of Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia remains visible in the Christian communities established during his time. The endurance of these communities stands as a testament to the effectiveness of his missionary work. St. Francis Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia was marked by cultural and religious challenges, but his efforts resulted in the establishment of enduring Christian communities. His approach of cultural integration contributed significantly to the growth and presence of Christianity in the region. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia remains a testament to the adaptability of the Christian faith within diverse cultural landscapes, fostering enduring Christian communities in these regions.